Hey, Lee Pennington here. Welcome to this demonstration of Soci, the ultimate social media management tool. You will literally never have to leave the platform to manage all your Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest accounts. Now, I'm going to begin with the left-hand side. Now, to select the actual pages that I want to manage, I simply click on the actual arrow and then I've got all the pages once I've connected my Facebook account to Soci, and it's as simple as one click to connect that Facebook account, Twitter account and Pinterest. So what I'm going to begin with here is on the left hand side I've got the ability to manage posts, cover photos and ads. So I'm going to go to the post to begin with. Now when I go to post, I've got a few different options. I've got discover post, I've got design post, I've got schedule post, and I've got write your own post. Now if I go over to discover post, I can have discover articles or discover videos, and it's simply a case of just clicking on which one you want, and then we're going to work on keyword to find the articles within your niche. So I'll just simply put in dog, enter, and what that's going to bring now, it's going to bring back all the top viral articles to do with dogs, and then I can simply select 1, 2, 3, 10, and what was going to happen here, let's say for instance just choose one. Okay, it's going to grab all the content from that article and it's going to bring it so I can then actually post that to my page. And again, I'd simply do the drop down menu. I can choose 1 page, 2 pages, I can choose all my pages to post this content to, or I can leave it so it posts directly to my newsfeed. Now what I can also do is I can change obviously the information on there. So let's say for instance, get yours here just for example. Let's delete that. And again, this can add my own content to this article. And what I can do here now, I can either post now or I can simply click on the clock and I can schedule for the exact time that I want it to go out. Now I can also manage the post once I've done that, and I'll show you that a little later on in the video. So I'm just going to come out of that and show you the same example for videos. Let's go to the top, discover videos, exactly the same way. We just simply put in a keyword and it will bring back all the top video compilations or videos within my chosen keyword, and exactly the same again. Just choose any one that I want. I can either watch the video, select the video. Once I select the video, it's going to grab back that thumbnail, grab back the actual content, and again, I can add my own links here. They could be affiliate links, they could be links to my blog, they could be links to my website. It really doesn't matter. I can change the thumbnail if needed. I'd simply go to here and upload it. So if I wanted a more branding, I wanted to put something that my actual market were more informed and more new about, I could do that very easily, and I can write some more text. Okay, so that's with regard to discovering post. What I can also do is go to the post designer. Now with regards to the post designer, we've got different templates within the software, again depending on the membership, and all these templates are simply just click. We can choose the templates, we can choose the multiple different backgrounds that we have, and all it is a case of just clicking on it. And also if we want to change anything on the actual post that we're creating, it's just a case of everything is drag and drop. Very easy to change the fonts. So let's say for instance just change the font there and the font kicks in. We can change the size very easily. We can drag it, make it big if we want, change the color. Again, very, very simple. We can add shapes. So maybe a shape here, and again, very easy to do. No kind of mucking around with any external softwares, but we can make it ultimately how we want to do it. And again, very, very, very simple to do. We can add different images, we can upload images, we can change the filters on it, we can change it with regard sharp and blur. Again, we showed the background images, and we've got different themes once we've created them, and loads of different ones that we can choose, and we'd simply go to continue and then we would post that directly to our page. So what we can also do is we can schedule the posts. So if I've chosen, let's say 10, 20, 30 posts, I can then make them go out at the time that I want them to go out, but it may be that I want to change my mind. It may be that I want to go in ensure that those posts are relevant to that time. It may be that I chose them over a month ago and things have changed. So I can go in and actually manage those posts. I can schedule them, I can delete them, or I can change the content within each one. What we can also do is, if we go, we can actually create a post. And now we've got to create post. Again, this is very similar to regards what you've just seen. But let's say, for instance, I wanted to tell people about my blog. So I'll simply grab my blog link. I do the content there. I paste it there. It's going to grab the information. Okay. And then I'm just going to actually, I could choose a different image. So upload an image. And I can actually then post that. So I could choose a time like you saw before. Again, different time zones that we have, all the different time zones. I just go to confirm for that time, or I can simply go to post now. So what I've done now is I've posted that, and it's letting me know you can check your profile. So that's actually gone over to my profile. So let me quickly go to Facebook. And as you can see straight away, that's been now posted to my timeline. Okay, for people to actually view that. I'm just going to delete that. Okay. Now what I also want to do is show you what other feature we've got within here. Another feature within actual Soci is the one-click opt-in. Now once I click on here, okay, what's going to happen here with the one-click opt-in? I'm going to choose to go to the Soci page. Okay. And then I'm simply going to post now. And again, I can do this to multiple different pages. So I'm going to post now. Okay, the software will let me know once it's been posted. There we are. I'm going to go over to Soci. As you can see, it's not there. So I'll refresh the page. Okay. And it's actually gone to the top post here. Now, what's happened here with regards to one-click opt-in? Rather than a person clicking on that and it going directly over to their blog, directly over to, let's say, the protected video content, the squeeze page, the opt-in page, whatever it may be that you want people to actually opt in to your list before they actually see the content that you are promising to show them. So once they click on here, what's going to happen here now is they're going to go over to a page where they have to opt in. And when I say opt in, it's one-click opt-in. And basically what Soci is going to do is going to get the email address and public profile information of that person and store it for you. So Soci actually stores that information, and then you can download that as a CSV file. So I'm going to go to OK, and the only way I can actually see the content is actually giving my information over. Go to OK. Okay, and now I've actually given my email address to Soci. I've actually accepted, I've approved that to be able to see the content that I wanted to see, and it's now dropped me off actually at the blog that I wanted to show them. So that's the one-click opt-in that we can do with all the posts via Soci. What we've also got is cover photo management. So within cover photo, I'll just choose a different one. Just choose one of my pages, and again I'll choose the Soci page. Let me just choose that. There we are. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring back the current cover photo which is on that page. Now, say for instance I want to edit that. I'll go to simply edit cover photo. Okay, I'll choose one of the cover photos, or I'll make my own from scratch. But let me just choose one here. Again, everything within here is drag and drop. Okay, I may want to put some more calls to actions, you know, like this page, etc, etc. But I want to know how it's going to look on my Facebook page. So simply come to this icon here, the eye icon, click on preview, and what it's going to do, it's going to show it how it would actually be displayed on my page. Now what I can also do is I can actually, without having to download the actual cover photo, I can actually publish it directly to that individual Facebook page, again without leaving the platform. So I may have multiple Facebook pages like most people do. I may manage them, and I actually want to manage them all from Soci. So simply go to continue. Okay, and once on continue, I'll go to publish, and let me just go over to Soci first of all to show you. So this is the Soci actual cover photo. Go back over here, go to publish. Okay, and again it's going to tell me once the cover photo has been actually published to the software. There we have it. It's now gone published. Let's go to One Soci. Let's refresh that. Okay, and as you can see, it's actually changed. So I've been able to create, I've been able to design, I've been able to preview, and I've been able to publish how it looks on the page and actually publish it to that page. What I can also do with One Soci, let me just come out of this. Okay, I also have the ability to actually run ads. So I can actually set up ads, I can create my ads, I can target people through the platform, and then I can publish the campaign. So how we would do this, we go to create a new ad. Okay, and again, I can create from scratch, but let's say, for instance, I'll just choose this one template. Same sequence. If I want to change the background, if I want to change anything on it, very, very simple to do. Again, simple to change any of the text. I can add anything on that I want. Shapes, backgrounds. Okay, and then I'm going to continue. What this is going to do now is this is the ad that I have created. And as you can see now, we have approval from Facebook to be able to actually create and manage and publish your ads directly from the application. So we can have website links, so link ad to a landing page, you caption your headline. So let's say, for instance, test here. So you can see it in Russian, so test. Okay, and as you can see, it changes there. Your ad description, we've got your ad budget. So let's say, for instance, we started at $5. We've got the duration, so again, the start date, the end date. We've got the targeting details, so males and females, females only. We've got the different ages. Okay, we can target people via the country, state, city or zip. We can search for the language. Okay, so English, different language, and we've got advanced targeting within the application with flexible specs. So what that means is when we're searching for interests or behaviors, again, let's look for dogs. Okay, it's going to pull them obviously back, but we can also do, we have a feature here, which is the flexible specs, which is the advanced targeting. We can do and or. So what that would do is that we're going to target people who like dogs and like, let's say, for instance, a certain breed, or we can do it where a person like dogs or like something else. So we've got the and or option within the flexible specs. We've got the education, okay, and we've got the work. So loads of different options with regards to being able to do our ads in here, and then we would be able to simply publish that campaign. Again, there is no need to leave the platform. We have a total flexibility to actually post. Now, we also have the ability when we're creating these posts and actually publishing these posts to publish them directly to Twitter and directly to Pinterest. All we're going to do here is come to social settings. Okay, we're going to connect it with our Twitter account, connect it with our Pinterest account, and we even have the ability to connect it to a Usign. So with regards to the platform, it is the total social media management platform. There's nothing else that does everything that this does. Again, we've got the ability to be able to do the posts, the cover photos, the ads, and what we also can do is we also have the ability to be able to look at the analytics, so look at whether or not a post is getting likes, getting comments. So with those analytics, we can actually look also at potentially changing things, look at how well it's actually performing, and actually know how to actually improve that. We can look at the cover photo, and we can also look at the active ads directly from the that single page. If we change the page, okay, it's going to bring back the different analytics, the different cover photo from that actual page. And remember, what we can also do with the one-click opt-in, we can actually build our list directly from the software, and people won't be able to go to that content before they give their permission for you to be able to collect that email directly through One Soci. So again, you're going to be able to build your list while managing all your social media applications.